Good morning everyone. So let us wind up this exercise 6.2 today. We are left with just two questions, that is your question number 15 as well as question number 16 also. So I hope we spend a good time in this exercise, and whatever the queries you have sent to me, I have explained each one to you. So today I will wind it up, and tomorrow a small assignment based upon your squares and square roots will be sent to you, and day after tomorrow, that is on Friday or maybe on Saturday, a small test of square and square roots will be conducted. So please prepare for the same. So I will take only these two questions today. First is question number 15. Now you see in question number 15 you again need to find the square root of 2. So see, when we are talking about this square root of 2, which is a prime number, you always remember one thing. When we are finding the square root of prime numbers, the remainder will never be equal to 0, because these are always non-terminating numbers. Prime numbers in third form are always non-terminating and are the irrational ones. So that's why these numbers are not the perfect squares, number one. Number two, the question will be conditional. Now, like here in this question it is mentioned that find the square root of the followings, that is up to 2 places of decimal. So if you have to find up to 2 places of decimal, please find up to third place of decimal. You need to check the third place digit, whether it is 5 or greater than 5 or equal to 5 or less than 5 or check. These are the non-terminating ones, so remainder will never be equal to 0, and if you have been asked to find up to 2 places, you have to find up to the third place, and then you will check the third place digit. If it is 5 or greater than 5, then we have to add 1 to the second place digit, and if it is less than 5, then we will write the digits as it is, which we have got up to second place of decimal. So let us see how to solve this. So if there is one digit, like here it is 2, so start 1 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Now put decimal here and here also. Now pair of zeros, not a single zero. In square root you have to copy the pair of zeros and always put 2 zeros together to complete the pair after the decimal, as I already have explained to you. To make the pairs after the decimal, we have to move from left to right. Always remember this. So 2 zeros at a time. Now same procedure, double of 1 is 2 and 2 stable up to 110 if I read. So somewhere 24 4s are 96 I will be getting here. As I told you, these will be the non-terminating numbers. So here 4 is left. Now put the next pair, 2 zeros together, and again copy those 2 zeros. Now double of 14. Double of 14 is what? 28. So double of 14 is 28. Now you see here, if I will put 1 with 2, 28, it will become 281. So if you will go with 2 multiplied by 2, so that will be greater than that of 400. So put 1 here, and this is 281. Check the remainder again. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1, and again 2 zeros. Now up to second place. Question is find the square root of this up to second place of decimal. That is clear now. Up to second place I have got 1.41. But now I have to check the third place digit, whether that is coming 5 or greater than 5. Then I have to increase 1 here. Then my answer will be 1.42. And if it comes less than 5, then I will write my answer as it is, that is 1.41. So please make a note of this instruction very carefully. If you are finding up to second place, you have to go up to third place. So double of this 141 will be 282, and 2 stable you have to call up to 11, and then keep on following the same procedure what we did in our previous questions. So here if suppose I will go to 5, 2, 8, 2, 5, I will have to multiply by 5 also. You see, this becomes greater than that of 11,900. So I will go at 4, 4. So whatever the remainder is there, you write as it is. It is 604 here. And your third place digit is 4. You please check this digit is 4. So answer of under root 2 up to second place will be 1.41. Suppose if it comes 5, so your answer will be 1.42. Then you have to add 1 to this second place digit. 5 are greater than 5. If it is less than 5, then you have to write as it is. So this is the rule we need to follow everywhere in these numbers. And remember, when these are the numbers which are the prime ones and you are finding the square root, always the remainder will be left there, because these are not the perfect square, so their square root also is not possible. Remainder will never be equal to 0. So such numbers are called non-terminating and non-reoccurring. Non-terminating and non-reoccurring. So please be careful about the same. And one more for your help, I will just solve. Like suppose one more part I will take from this. That is, you have 0.025. Suppose I am taking 0.025. The another one is, the rest of the parts you can try. If any difficulties there, you just let me know. Now this is 0.025. Again, I have to find up to second place. So before the decimal, one digit is there, no issues. 0 zeros are 0, then decimal, and then pair. 0, 2 is the first pair. So I know 1 ones are 1. So 1 ones are 1, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now you see here, 5 alone is there. To complete the pair, you need to put 1 0. Single digit will never be copied. So if it is single, and that's why we are making the pair from left to right. So if any digit alone is there, you need to put ending 0 with that digit to complete the pair, and then just copy this pair 50. So double of 1 is 2. You know there it is 5, 125. Then again you are left with 25. Now next pair, because I have to go up to third place, then it is 2500. Double of 15 is 30. And you know that if I go to 7 or 8 even, 8 will solve my purpose. So that is 8 will are 64 and 24. So 36 will be the remainder here, but answer is coming 0.158. So 0.158 means square root of 0.025 up to second place of decimal will be 0.16. Please make a note of that. Now why 6? Because the successor of 5 is greater than that of 5. Then I have to add 1 to this. So my answer will be 0.16. Please make a note of that. So I hope that is clear to you all. Then you can solve these questions, and remaining parts you try yourself. Now I will take question number 16, which is again based upon your this Pythagorean triplet. Already we have finished. And why this question is there? Because I told this topic will be used as a utility in the coming classes. So from that point of view, this is very important to understand these all questions here in class 8 only. So you can spend quality time here in all these questions. Now suppose I am taking question number 16, first part. In a right triangle, PQR right angle at Q. So please draw the triangle for your convenience. This is Q, P and R, anywhere you can mark with your own choice. Then write their dimensions whatsoever are given. PQ is 50. Find this is 15 all are in centimeters. Then QR is 8. QR is 8 and PR I have to find. So if you want to zoom X, you can, otherwise write it PR. Now you know in right triangle by Pythagoras theorem we know that hypotenuse square is equal to what? Perpendicular square plus base square. Perpendicular square plus base. So this is the perpendicular, this is the base, this is the hypotenuse. So hypotenuse here is PR. So PR square, perpendicular is 8, that is 8 square, and base is your 15, that is 15 square. So PR square is equal to what? 8 square is 64, 15 square is what? 225. So in that way I am getting PR square is equal to 289. So we have to determine PR. So I told you whenever square is there and you want to determine PR only, taking square root of both sides. This is the use of square root we are making in our problem sums. Taking square root of both sides. So in this way only the topic of square root will be used in coming classes. Somewhere the steps will be like this, and you have to determine the value that you need to take the square root. So if you will be taking the square root of PR square, this will become PR. Already I have explained to you, and 289 itself is a perfect square. If you find the square root of 289, that will come is equal to 17. So your answer will be 17 centimeter. Then I will take the second part also. Here in second part, you have same thing up to this, but now we have to see what is given and what we have to determine there. Same figure I have to follow. Two parts are there for this. So now PR is 26. Please put that PR is 26. RQ is 7. So RQ you need to put is 7, and then your PQ you need to determine. So again you apply the same way. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. So what happens now? PR. What is PR is 26 square. What is PQ? I have to find. What is QR? 7 square. So you know 26 square is 676 is equal to PQ square, and this is what? 49. Now shift it to this side. 676 minus 49 is equal to what? PQ square. So this is coming 627 somewhere, PQ square. So therefore PQ square is equal to 627. Taking square root of both sides, taking square root of both sides, mention it clearly. So when you will take the square root of PQ square and square root of 627, so it becomes PQ. It becomes PQ and is equal to what? Now you can check the square root of 627 by following the same procedure. Make the pair. 2 2s are 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. This is 27. Double of 2 is 4. 4 stable up to 22 means 4 5s are. So I tried 5. 5. That is 225. 7 minus 5 is 2. Put the decimal here and then the pair of zeros. Pair of zeros. Now means double of 25 is 50. So if I will put even 1 here, that will be greater than that of 200. So 1 0 you put here, 1 0 you put there, and the another pair of zeros. Another pair of zeros. This already I have explained to you. If the number is coming less here, you need to put 1 0 here, 1 0 here, and then no pair is there, you can put zeros and copy this pair down. Now 5. Again, if you go, this is somewhere is 20,000. So if I put 5 here, what happens? If I put 5 here, it will be somewhere 25,000, which will be greater. So I can put here 4 suppose. So this is 4, then it is again greater. So I can put 3 there. So 3 means 3 3s are 9, 3 0s, 3 0s, and 3 5s are 15. As 627 is prime, so you know never will be a perfect square, so remainder will be there. Your answer is coming somewhere 25.03. So if it is 25.03, you need to check if up to the correct place of decimal you want to find, you can leave your answer like 25 also, or you write PR is equal to 25.03 also. That is also correct, because never ending remainder will keep on coming. Infinite places are possible after the decimal, so somewhere we have to finish. So question is not conditional to find up to 1 place or 2 place. So if you want to round off, so 25.0 can be written as 25, so your answer can be equal to 25 also. That is up to you. So that is the end of your square and square roots. After this, I will proceed towards cube and cube roots, but before that, one assignment based upon square and square roots and one small test will be conducted. Then we will start with the cubes and cube roots. Till then, prepare well and have a nice time. Thank you.